Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane called the bottlenose, and it's going to look like this. When you fly this plane, it spins around like this, and it goes straight, and it goes pretty fast. So if you're looking for that, you should be making this. Alright, so let's get started. So to start off, you're going to want to take one piece of paper and fold it in half lengthwise. And then open it up and then fold this to the middle like this. And then the other side to the middle. Then you're going to take these two sides, or corners, and fold them in to the middle. And then you're going to open it up and fold the top down until it meets the end of those two diagonal folds right there. And just fold it straight across. Next, you're going to take this right here, this little flap, open it up, and just fold it as far as it can go right here. And so the top of it is even with that. Just fold it straight down. You're going to do the same thing for the other side. Alright, so next you're going to take these two and fold them to the center here. And then this one to the center too. Alright, so next you're going to take it and fold it up like this. So it should look like this right now. And you're just going to take this edge right here and fold it in like this, kind of like a triangle. And then you're going to open it up and push the triangle inside. So when you fold it up, it will be inside. Alright, so now you're going to open that back up, and you're going to take this edge right here and fold it to the middle. And the same thing with the other edge. So they should both be at the middle, like that. And then you're going to take it like this and push the triangle inside again, so it folds up like this. Then you're going to take one of the wings and you're just going to fold it right here and just make a straight line. So this should be showing right here, this little triangle. And you're just going to line up the same thing to the other side. Next, you're going to take this little flap right here, and you're just going to fold it up as far as it can go on that line. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And then when you open it up, you should have something like this. and you're finished. So as always, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.